Hey guys, this is Desiree here, and today I show you how to install my new processor, and I am officially doing my unboxing of my new processor, Intel Pentium dual core, 3 GHz, 2 MB cache. This is the last processor of the dual cores. This is the E57. So I'm just doing this video because you know um, I'm I'm trying to help you. So it's very easy, and I will make the unboxing right now. So let's get started. Okay guys, this is the officially unboxing of my new processor. So you can see it. Um, I will remove all. You can hear the cooler master, and here you will see the processor, and very easy to do. So I will put there. It's the officially cooler fan of the lab. Intel, if you see, have 4 pins. But, I will not install because the last time I did with another processor, I burned my processor. So now keep. You need to see the Intel. This is the officially Intel user manual. So if you don't know or understand from my bad English, I'm sorry. By the way, you can see all the you can see all the instruction on the simple book. So let's get started on the installation of the processor. On the installation, guys, we need first one remove the electricity power of the processor is here, and remove the cooler fan, and remove the screw on this part here. So when you make I will show you how you can keep the processor of the socket. So you only need try to move this and take this. First one, you need to take all the warnings you have here. First one, to take the processor, just take from this method I am doing. Look here, and I will put on a part at this part here, like I'm putting right now. So never put don't put your hands or fingers on the socket of the processor because it will get rocket. So this is my new processor right now. I will install, and so let's get started. Okay, finally I will keep the cover of the processor. Is like you need to do this. Okay, here is the processor. So let's get installing the computer right now. Okay guys, this is my new processor right now. So right now I will install here like this, and so when we did it, you need to close the processor and put the key, and will close the processor. So right now I will I will install my cooler fan. I will not install this because I was trying to put and I can't install. So I will start with my cooler master, 3 pins. I will put here, and I will put the screws, and you know. Okay guys, finally my computer is I put my new processor and the cooler fan. So let's start up, and my computer is running. I will press F2 to open the setup, and the setup is open right now. I go to system info. So we'll first, before I press here, and the CPU it was E2140, and now I press like E57. So right now I press before 1.60 GHz, and now I press like 3 gigahertz. So this is the end, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, my friends, and as always, and have a nice day. I hope you subscribe and be your friends and add to my favorite channels. Have a nice day, guys.